Hey everybody, welcome to my Cloffice. This is a closet that I'm turning into an office, and that's a washer and dryer on the left because this is actually in my laundry room. I've shown this space on Instagram. I've shown a couple of photos of the progress of this. And so I thought it was time to just do a video explaining like what I'm trying to do here. So this closet, the first thing I did was obviously take off the bifold doors. There's actually an identical closet to the left of this. We have an old house, so it has like tons of random rooms and like just oddly placed spaces. So I basically just commandeered this one for my own personal use as my little journaling nook and traveler's notebook corral. So once I removed the doors, my husband made me that little floating shelf of a desk right there. And I still have to like sand it and stain it and seal it. There's the washer and dryer. There's the other closet. Which I'm probably actually going to take over that one as well because it doesn't actually have its own dedicated purpose. So because I'm not sure all my stuff's going to fit in just this one because they are pretty tiny, like they're not very deep. So I painted it, which is the newest update to this area, and I chose it's called black or cracked pepper from Home Depot. It was part of their Bear paint line. And my husband, well, I spent so much time looking for this perfect dark gray. And when I did it, my husband said, "Oh, I see you picked black." So whatever, we're just gonna call it black. But here are all my treasures, all lined up and beautiful. And I just wanted to see how they looked against this color. And it's, you know, magnificent. So these are actually from Lady Falcon Travelers, and I've not shown these before, but they are some beauties, and I really love having them. So yeah, the tops of these shelves are not painted. It's I'm planning on putting black contact paper. I actually have the contact paper. I just have to do it. So I have to remove everything off the shelves yet again and put the contact paper down. I don't want to paint it because I don't want any of the paint to like rub off onto my leather. Of course, I don't want that. These are the Travelers Company cardboard binders that I used to store used inserts. And down on this shelf, I've got my little Hobonichi bear. He's kind of standing guard over all the beautiful leather. These are my pocket-sized Traveler's notebooks. And there's only 2 shelves right now, but I am going to add a 3rd shelf. My husband has to cut down the wood for me, but it's going to go up at the very top. These boxes are from Target. They're from the Hearth and Hand line, and I'm using them for storage, but it's just random stuff right now. I'm not actively using this space, so I don't have all my stuff in here to be able to organize it all. So once I do, then I will use these labels and label everything accordingly. These are probably going to stay in there because those are pocket-sized notebooks and they fit perfectly in these boxes. So underneath here, I've got pegboard, and I actually have pegboard on the opposite side as well. What I'm planning on doing is putting hooks on those and setting dowel, like wooden dowel rods, whatever. I'm planning on setting those down in the hooks and filling them up with washi tape. And I think it would be really nice to have all of my washi tape on display so it's easily accessible and I can view them all at once to be able to, you know, choose and actually use them. I can't wait to do that. Yeah, table still needs to be sanded and stained and sealed. This chair is a recent purchase. I got it from Pottery Barn, but from the outlet. We have an outlet accessible to us. So I got this thing for like 70% off. So glad to add that as part of my updates to this space. And if I could just, I take too much time between working on this area, and I really need to just roll up my sleeves and finish it. So yeah, this is the laundry room, and it's painted the worst shade of beige. I need to paint that as well. That's a built-in ironing board, and I actually, oh my God, yeah, I'm showing all this crap. Yeah, it's just nuts. I just have, because my stuff is just everywhere, all over the house. So, yeah, I need to finish my Cloffice so I can organize everything and put it where it needs to go. Stuff on the floor, Hobonichi boxes, yeah. But yeah, so that's where I do my filming too. There on the right, I have a clamp hooked up to the edge of my built-in ironing board. And I actually, oh yes, this is the horrible lighting in here. It's so bad. I have to replace that as well. We've done so much work to this house, but so much more needs to be done. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.